Hello guys, welcome to Syntax Age. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Firebase Studio, which is recently released by Google, which is an AI agent powered online ID. So this will be truly a game changer platform that Google has released. As you know, recently they have released the Project IDX. So what happened to Project IDX? So according to me, the Project IDX will be now treated as an ongoing project, or they are going to be using Firebase Studio into that. The last update they had given was for online native Android development. So currently we are on the Firebase Studio official landing page. So to open this, you will have to go to firebase.studio and this will be open. As you can see, they have launched a truly great landing page, and also the logo renovation is also beautiful. So here you can see one is docs and one is support section. So let's see what Google is actually promising us. So Firebase Studio claims get to work quickly wherever you are. So meaning you can go from opening your browser to building in minutes, not hours. And you can also import your existing repositories from GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or from your local machine with support for most tech stack, or use the app prototyping agent. So they actually have agentic framework in this IDE. As you know, the agentic framework is getting popular nowadays, and this is actually a competitor to Lovable or like different available AI tools to create software. Okay, so Firebase Studio is currently available with 3 workspace at no cost during preview. For the preview version, only 3 workspaces are available. Okay, so members of the Google Developer Program will get 30 workspaces. So if you haven't signed up for the Google Developer Program, you can sign up and you can get to up to like 30 workspaces. So uh, the AI which has been used in the Firebase Studio is like Gemini. You can take help from Gemini to build your piece of software, whatever you like. Also, you can optimize your full stack apps across platform. So that's it. And at last, they have said like develop faster, deliver with confidence. So they are saying you can actually publish your apps to Firebase app hosting with a few clicks, meaning you can develop your software or app in Firebase Studio and you can host it from Firebase. Makes sense, right? Because it comes with a complete life cycle. It follows a complete SDLC life cycle. You can go from like thinking to prompting the app to again deploying it and again monitoring the real time data. So I think so. This is great. And at last, you can see the message for years. Millions of you have relied on Firebase to accelerate your app development. So Firebase is actually popular NoSQL database. If you are not a developer, I am giving you a quick brief. Okay, so Firebase is one thing. Under that, many services are available like storage or again database storage or like media storage, and it is like simple to set up and you can quickly accelerate your development. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm clicking on get started. You can follow me. Okay, so you can see here hello and your name. Also it has a light theme and dark theme. You can choose whichever you want. So you can see here it says prototype an app with AI. So here actually when you will click on more sample prompts, here some actually example prompts are available. You can click on it or you can like give here prompt, and also it says new workspace or you can import repo. After clicking on new workspace, you will be again redirected to a new page with a new workspace. And again, if you click on import repo, you can import a git repo or upload your own project. We can upload to github also or import from github also. Okay, so again, the workspace templates here available are in Go, Python, Flask, Java, .NET, Android Studio Cloud, Flutter, Angular, Next.js, Node Express, Gemini API, and other one is Genkit, Astro, MongoDB, React Native, and Expo. So, how Firebase Studio is actually different from different AI tools which are recently available. So, if we are talking about AI powered mobile application development, so Firebase Studio actually gets one extra point for that, I would say, because for other frameworks actually there are uh, many tools available, right? So we will once test for Python, once for a web application, once for native Android, and also once for Flutter. So let's get started. So I want to create a custom web application which resembles to Pinterest. So let's give it a prompt. So I have written a prompt, an app which is similar to Pinterest with good grid-like structure also create a dynamic menu. So let's test this prototype with AI. So you will have to first accept the terms and condition. Let's click on continue. Okay. So how Firebase Studio actually works? You will have to give a prompt. After giving a prompt, when you will click on prototype with AI, it will actually like send you a plan. So this has told me like, okay, here is a plan for how we will prototype this app. Take a look below and customize as needed. So this is actually good, right? Because it's not actually building real time after just clicking on prototype this app. This will actually give us a good short idea into points that what this app is about and how it will work or how it will look like. So see, this has given us an app blueprint and it has named it as Pinspiration instead of like Pinterest. Makes sense. And the features are like image grid display as we have prompted it, dynamic menu generation, image fetching. Also it has given us color. Also it's using like teal color. Also layout is like masonry or CSS grid layout for dynamic responsive image. Icons will be used like simple consistent icon, and animation will be subtle transition and hover effects to enhance user interaction. So let's right now click on prototype this application. So it says let's prototype, and now the magic happens. You can see code getting generated here real time. So it has created like TypeScript file, one CSS file. Okay. So here you can see a web page, as I have prompted this app to make a dynamic menu. So it has done actually that. and also grid like structure. As you can see, here is grid like structure for the images. Okay, so it is actually filtering as we click. It's not only like front end side, it's front end actually, but like interactive front end. So upon clicking on nature, it get like filtered out and we can only see the nature section of the images here. If we select architecture, it will filter out like architecture, like complex building, skyscraper, interior design. And if we click on random, so this is some random image and this is another random image. We can see demo in complete window also. You will have to click here, open in new window. So this is our inspiration app, right, created by Firebase Studio. So I hope you liked this section of the video where we created uh, like a simple web application. So now what we can do is, here is publish button. As Firebase claim, you can actually publish this. So let us publish this. You will have to click on publish here. So it's creating a project. So you can see when you will click on publish your app, so it will take some time, and it says we use Firebase app hosting to host your application. So it has created a Firebase project for us, name inspiration. You will click on next, and this will actually prompt to cloud billing account. So for that you will have to actually link to cloud billing account for that, and you will have to set up environment, and you can actually like host your application from here also. So you don't have to like use any other hosting platform. Firebase will do it for you. So I am not actually right now publishing, I was just trying to show you, so which is great. So let us now go ahead with some other framework. So I'm back at the home page.